Jalas aje atukaribishe. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa Jalas.
Thank you so much. Asanteni sana. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, CS Sports, my very good brother, Babu Namwamba, all the CSS and all the protocol observed. Thank you so much, Mr. President, for visiting Lang'ata again. I'm putting up this huge project that will not only benefit the country but also carry aspirations. So there's so many young men and women whose dreams are still based on talent. What we would request as a constituency, we border Kibra down this side and Dagoretti on this other end. When the contractor starts work, kindly tunaomba vijana wetu wapewe kazi, wakue hapa wakifanya kazi kila siku. Asanteni sana. Mheshimiwa Rais, karibu Lang'ata tena. Asante.
Haya basi, na tukiendelea na sasa